Marketing strategies developed with the help of artificial intelligence can be truly mind-blowing. Today's GPT platforms like ChatGPT, Claude, or even Gemini can help us create strategies which can work exceedingly well in the marketplace. But for that to happen, we must give these GPTs right instructions. These instructions are called prompts, and prompt making is a time-consuming process. Also, it is a lot of science and a bit of art, and hence it is not everyone's cup of tea to make these prompts. So, at Brand Inner World, we have created highly specialized prompts for pharma brand building. I am Gauri Chaudhary, co-founder of Brand Inner World, and we have created more than 100 highly specialized and customized prompts for pharma brands. How does it work? Pharma marketers can copy these prompts and paste them in any of the GPT. They need to fill in some blanks and simply hit the enter button. Just in few seconds, you will have mind-blowing pharma marketing strategies along with promotional material like visual aids, leaflets, monographs, scientific leave behinds. You name it and you have it. Imagine you are a marketer for Bilastine brand and you want to have detailed comparison between Bilastine and Cetirizine, and you want to know what benefits can it bring to doctors as well as to patients. All you have to do is copy and paste our prompt and you will get comparison of Bilastine to Cetirizine on various parameters, as well as you will get summarized advantages of Bilastine to doctors and very specifically to patients, along with medical references. Do you want a catchy and interesting brand name which is unique? Our prompts deliver list of options just in minutes. All you need to do is fill in some blanks like the name of the molecule and specific benefits of your brand and hit the enter button. With just a click, you will get a list of unique brand names that can be made available in the marketplace. The power of prompts does not end here. You can create any kind of logos, mnemonics, visuals with the help of our prompts. These prompts will help you save hours of hard work. All you need to do is add little bit of human experience and wisdom to these strategies and you are ready to go ahead. Make these prompts your competitive advantage. Do try these prompts. Please contact us to know more about it. The contact details are there in the description box. Also in the description, there is a free prompt. All you can do is copy and paste the prompt, fill in the blanks in the prompt and hit the enter button. Within seconds, you will get mind-blowing answers. So do try the prompt and contact us if you need any other assistance. Thank you.